Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Skype video call not working. So the first thing what you need to do here, we need to check if the Skype is up to date. So if you download Skype from Microsoft Store here, you need to just write Skype here, and here it will be update button if it's not up to date. And if everything is alright here, then you need to go to settings. And then you need to go to privacy, and then you need to go to camera, and you need to make sure that on allow apps to access your camera is toggled on, and Skype is toggled on as well, right? And if these two options is on, then you need to go back to settings, and then you need to go to apps, and here you need to write Skype here. And then you need to just press on that and then go to advanced options. And once you do that, then you need to scroll down and you need to just press repair button. And after you've done this, then you need to press reset. And then you need to go to Skype, log into your Skype account, and the problem should be fixed. And if it's not, then you need to try to basically uninstall Skype and download from different source. So if you download Skype from the web, then try to download Skype from the Microsoft Store here. And if you download from Microsoft Store, then you can download from Skype official website. So if we go to skype.com, you just need to press download Skype, and here you just need to get Skype for Windows 10 or 11. And then install it, log into your account, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.